Hello friends, Namaskaram. Myself is Dr. Jinesh Soni. I am an advocate and a corporate lawyer. In today's class, we will study about the Anticipatory Bill concerning offences under Prevention of Corruption Act. As we know that in Prevention of Corruption Act offences, it is not easier to get Anticipatory Bill from the court of law because the power could not be exercised in the routine way. So we have to specify to the court that the case is false, and in the present false case, the concerned SHO or IU is willing to arrest the concerned accused without any basis. We have to specify that there is no investigation pending, no recovery is pending, merely charge sheet is to be filed, and accused joined the investigation already. And apart from that, there is no need of any custodial interrogation. But despite of all such scenario, the concerned IO is willing to arrest the accused just to satisfy the complainant. So the said basis inter alia finds its root in section 482 of BNSS, which is equivalent or correspond to section 438 of CrPC. I am discussing two important judgments. One is of Honorable Allahabad High Court and other is of Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court. In both the judgment, the benefit of anticipatory bail is inclined to the concerned accused who is inter alia indulged in offence even under the PC Act. Please note down case number 1. The judgment is pronounced by Honorable Allahabad High Court. Case title is Lokesh Kumar Verma versus State of UP. Number 3. Judgment date is 21st of August 2025. Number 4. The petition number is 18237/25. In that case, the concerned accused submitted a writ petition before Honorable High Court. In the petition, he submitted that FIR against him under Section 7 of PC Act is nothing but abuse of process. He inter alia prayed to the Honorable Court to be pleased to set aside and quash the impugned FIR. He submitted that there is no evidence against him to show that he is involved in the criminal activity. Apart from that, he submitted that the prosecution is having the case that I am inter alia indulged or involved in the illegal appointment, but same is not a ground to implicate me under PC Act, specifically under Section 7. Because to constitute Section 7, demand is sine non, there is no demand on my part, and that's why proceedings are nothing but abuse of process. But despite of questioning the FIR, the remedy of anticipatory bail is inclined, subject to certain condition. And one of the condition is the anticipatory bail order shall remain into motion till filing of the charge sheet. So whenever you are having the anticipatory bail order from the court, just read it at once, because there might be an order that the bail remedy is inclined up to filing of charge sheet. So in that scenario, you have to apply again after filing of charge sheet. So whenever you are going to argue a case for anticipatory bail, first of all, you have to emphasize on the ingredients. Number 1. Number 2, on the factual score. Number 3, your stand. Number 4, why case is not made out. Number 5, the legal position regarding the anticipatory bail. And last but not least, the legal compliances. For example, you are not a public servant, you are a private person. In that scenario, it is a legal point that could be argued. Apart from that, if there is no compliance of Section 17A of PC Act, if applicable, then you may argue this point. And apart from that, the point of demand, pendency of work, apart from that, there is no motive. These are the additional points which could be argued even in the anticipatory bail application. So you have to specify each and everything without any worry or anxiety. Just specify your case, and in the last, try to make out the proper synopsis so that whenever you are going to argue, your argument must be pinpoint and specific on the subject. Second judgment is pronounced by Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court. Case title is Ravinder Singh versus State of Haryana. Judgment date is 21st of August 2025. The petition number is 12196/2025. In the said case, the accused was booked under Section 120B, Section 409, 418, 420, 466, 467, 468, 471, 477A of IPC, and along with the said sections, Section 13, Subclause 1, Subclause B, Section 7, Section 8 of PC Act, is also inserted. The accused moved the anticipatory bail on the ground that he has joined the investigation, and apart from that, there is no need of any custodial interrogation. Looking into the facts and circumstances and subject to the conditions of Section 438, subclause 2 of CrPC, the bail remedy is inclined. So I want to clarify that whenever we are going to argue for the anticipatory bail, we also have to specify that no investigation is pending, no recovery is pending, and apart from that, the concerned petitioner joined the investigation. For this, the accused may join the investigation through electronic communications as well. He may do the correspondence through his advocate so that he could specify the stand to the concerned IO, and if the concerned IO is not willing to consider the stand of the concerned accused, an inter alia proceeding to arrest the accused only, in that scenario, there is a violation of the basic principle of fair investigation. So in that scenario, we could chalk out that the IO is not willing to investigate the case in the proper way, in the fair way, but apart from that, he is going to arrest me without any basis. So in that scenario, we may rely on judgment of Honorable Supreme Court, that is Siddha versus State of UP, in which it is specified that the power of arrest is one thing, but its exercise is important thing. If the power is going to be exercised in the mechanical way, in that scenario, said approach could not be recognized as a lawful approach. So I think that I am totally able to convey or enlighten all of you the legal principle concerning the anticipatory bail, concerning offences under the PC Act. If you are having any query, feel free to put your comments in the comment box. I will try to answer them as per my little knowledge and capabilities. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.